After you have your WYBOT self-docking solar charging robot set up, you simply come over and press the on button and your Wi-Fi is set up. So all you have to do is admire it and walk away while it does its thing. It will begin to clean just as you have pre-programmed it, and you can just sit back and relax and watch the show. It is on a weekly timer, and it just comes down from this docking station and starts its trick. I have it on full cleaning mode, so it will clean the walls and the floor and the stairs. Look at it go. It's predetermined its map on the very first run, so it has a systematic navigation system that it follows. It has several different modes to choose from for weekly cleaning scheduling. It even works very well on this curved area of my pool that most pool cleaners struggle with. The AI Vision has multi-pool type technology to sense if it's rectangular, random, round, kidney-shaped pool, and all pool types. It boasts a 2-year full replacement protection warranty. It has brushless motors, and it does 294 feet of cleaning per hour. That's the flow rate, and you will find that it is excellent. It picks up tremendous amounts of debris and puts it in the very deep basket for weekly emptying. And the best part, when the battery drops below 20%, it returns to the dock for self-charging. No manual work. The underwater solar power is daily, fast, and it is very dramatic in the cleaning power. Look at it climb the wall and clean that water line with its brushless motors, scrubbing with the large track wheels and the interior brushless motors as well for a deep, deep clean. You can set it to clean every day, every second day, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, however you want to do it. You can also control everything from the app, which makes it very customizable. This is a very high-powered cleaner returning to a station. You will love it like I do, I'm sure.